Welcome to our video. Today, we will be discussing the rare buy and sell indicators in the market. We have researched and experienced the best ones to offer to you. To not miss out on our active trading and informative updates, you can join our Telegram server from the link below. I can answer your private questions in this way. Without further ado, let's move on to our first indicator. We put the high-low SAR indicator at the top of the list because this system is invaluable for our lazy friends who only watch for buy and sell signals. It is quite successful compared to standard buy-sell indicators. We also know that some big traders use derivatives of such systems. To summarize in more detail, the indicator's calculation is based on determining the highest and lowest prices and comparing these prices with a moving average. As a result of the calculations, the obtained value is multiplied by a certain value depending on the direction of the price and the strength of the trend. At the end of the day, we have a successful buy-sell indicator. Let's continue with the video. Advanced Keltner channels. I wouldn't be wrong if I said that it's my favorite indicator to use. I'm not too happy with its use in its pure form. That's why we need improved versions. The settings we make will be particularly useful. Before we introduce it, don't forget to add just the settings as shown in the video. Click on the indicator settings from the top left row and follow us to the style section. This system can work successfully in short or long time frames. It can work in volatile or stable market conditions. It can assist in scalp trading for both long or short trades. When you examine this indicator, you will better understand what I am saying. You will probably want to include this system into your own strategy. The most crucial aspect of the Advanced Keltner Channels indicator is its ability to predict price movements through the expansion or contraction of channels based on price volatility. This indicator shows that prices are moving within a specific range around the trend line. Let's take a look at the next system. Our next favorite system. In fact, the settings and usage technique of this indicator reveal its true power. It's a system that is mostly used for long trades. Before we start the introduction, don't forget to add just the settings as shown in the video. By placing our line or area where we want it, the long trade becomes active when the price breaks above it. This way, you can evaluate the price and open your trades accordingly. However, never rely on a single indicator. At least, this system tells us that short trades are very pointless when the price breaks upwards. If we look at the advantages of the system, it's actually difficult to make any recommendations. The results of moving averages are more or less predictable. But generally, the signals are lagging and one-dimensional indicators. It is definitely not recommended to use them alone. Let's quickly continue where we left off. Pivot. Next is the indicator pivot support resistance system. Before we introduce it, don't forget to add just the settings as shown in the video. Click on the indicator settings from the top left row and follow us to the style section. This indicator is the only indicator that can make you money on all currencies or give you the biggest return on investment. The logic is simple but very powerful. You select two zones between prices. This way, you can predict whether the price will go up or down. However, it is quite difficult to find the alarm versions of this system on TradingView. You can access our indicator package and the alarm version of Pivot for a fee by contacting us on our Telegram address. Now, let's look at the advantages of this system. Pivot indicator is a commonly used tool in technical analysis. This indicator attempts to predict future price movements by using the highest, lowest, and closing prices within a certain time frame. Works on different time frames. Pivot points can be used on different time frames, including daily, weekly, and monthly charts. This makes the indicator suitable for both short-term and long-term trading strategies. Let's move on to the next indicator. MAVPT. And the last indicator. MAVPT. Before we introduce it, don't forget to add just the settings as shown in the video. Click on the indicator settings from the top left row and follow us to the Styles section. One of the successful trend indicators that is compatible with other systems. The main reason for its inclusion in the list is that it is often overlooked by most users. Additionally, when combined with other tools, its success rate is quite high. By following the principles of support, resistance, and trend, you have no chance of opening unsuccessful trades. After the video, you can come to our Telegram group and ask me your specific questions about the indicator. Now, let's take a look at the advantages of this indicator. Confirm signals. The MAVPT indicator can be used to confirm signals from other technical analysis tools, such as trend lines, moving averages, and oscillators. This can help traders to make more confident trading decisions. We said the last sentence and we came to the end of the video. Don't forget to come to our Telegram server. The only place where you can find high profitability transactions and the opportunity to contact me. Take care of yourself.